choosing a pet. Which pet do you want to buy, Jenny?
I don't know, Mom.
Do you want a parrot? It can talk and make fun. Or a goldfish? They're gorgeous.
I don't think I'll have a parrot or a goldfish, Mom.
What about a rabbit? Look at them. They're so cute.
But they're just so quiet. They just eat carrots and jump around.
So do you want a puppy? Puppies are good friends. You can do a lot of activities with a puppy.
But a puppy will bark loudly and make people scared.
You're right.
I think I want a cat, Mom. Look at this one, so adorable.
It's a Persian cat. Do you love it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Take a nap. I'm so tired of the report. Me too. No, we have to submit this report this afternoon, but I'm a little sleepy now. Do you also feel drowsy? Yes. Should we take a nap? I'm just scared that it will take a long time to wake me up once I sleep. I can fall asleep really quickly, and it's hard for me to wake up after a short time. Why don't you set an alarm? I did try once, but I just slept so deeply that I couldn't even hear the alarm. I think I can help you. I can sleep in 15 to 30 minutes and then wake up easily. I'll wake you up. What if I don't hear you? Then I'll hit you till you open your eyes. That's a good idea. Let's take a 30-minute nap, then go back to work. No worries. What's wrong with you these days, Sarah? You seem like you're worried about something. Yes, I do. I'm worried about my future. What exactly are you thinking about? About my future husband and children? I wonder who he is, or how many children we'll have, or can I make enough money for the whole family? Come on, my friend. You're still a freshman. There are other things for you to consider, such as a stable job in the next 4 years. You're right, but I'm still worried. You have to make short-term and long-term goals and step-by-step achieve them. For example, like my first goal is to graduate from university. Then I want to be offered jobs by big companies. The last goal is to have a happy marriage and 2 children. That's it. Wow, I see. I think I will stop worrying about my future family. That's right. Being drunk. Have you ever been drunk? Yes, once. How was it? It was really terrible. I was invited by my seniors and there was no way to deny them. After the party, I got drunk and talked about nonsense things with my colleagues. What did you talk about? I don't remember exactly, but the most terrible thing on that night is I confessed to a female colleague. Gosh, you must have been super embarrassed after that night. Of course, and it was too awkward to talk about it with that colleague. So funny. I swear to the bottom of my heart that I will only drink 2 glasses of beer if I'm invited the next time. What's for dinner? What time does your class end, Mia?
At 6 p.m. It's quite late as we have a presentation today.
I see. I also went home late today. I have to work overtime until 6:30 p.m. By the way, I checked the fridge this morning and we ran out of food. And I'm too lazy to buy something and cook. Do you want to order pizza?
Hey, great idea. It's been a long time since I last ate pizza.
I think I can buy pizza on the way home. And do you want some beer? We don't have class tomorrow morning, so...
Yeah, let's chill tonight. But just the 2 of us? Should we call more friends?
Yes, we should.
Okay, I'll ask Mary and Lucy.
Great. Living far from home. Hello? Hi, Mom. It's me, John.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Glad you called me. How was your first week at the university dorm?
I miss you guys so much, Mom and Dad. Now I have to handle everything on my own.
I know, sweetie. Do you have any troubles with your new life?
Well, luckily my roommates are quite friendly. They taught me how to cook and do the laundry.
It's good to hear that. How about the university? Can you catch up with the class?
I'm all right with most of the subjects, but I heard my math professor is a little strict. I don't think it'll be easy to get an A from him.
Just try your best, sweetie.
Now I have to get up early without my mom calling me.
Ha ha ha. Yes, you do. Grow up, my boy.
I know, Mom. Oh, my friends are calling me. I'll talk to you later, Mom. Say hello to Dad for me, please.
Sure, sweetie. Goodbye.